Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to share files on OneDrive. Let's have a look now. To share files on OneDrive, open your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. You can do this by browsing through your OneDrive folders or using the search feature to locate a specific files. Once you have found the file or folder, click on Share button. This will open the sharing options for the selected file or folder. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can also customize permissions, allowing recipients to either view or edit the file. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.